guys, welcome to Taste and Flavors. Today I have for you a very quick and easy 2 ingredients ice cream cake recipe. So if you're ready to know, let's get started. So the first step is to decide which cake are you looking forward for. Since I wanted a chocolate ice cream cake, so I have taken a chocolate sponge cake here and I will be using my homemade chocolate ice cream. Now I have baked this cake at home, so I'm going to use the same dish to assemble the entire cake in which I have baked this cake. I will be dividing this basic chocolate sponge cake into 2 equal halves. Now once I've achieved this is the dish in which I've baked my cake. I'm going to line this with a plastic wrap. Now this is a good trick. What happens is when you line it with a plastic wrap, eventually when the cake is ready, it is easier for us to take it out and then cut it into squares. Otherwise it is quite a task. So this is a nice trick that you can follow when you are making this lovely little cake. So once my dish is entirely perfectly lined with the plastic wrap, I'll go ahead and assemble my cake. The first layer that goes on the bottom would be of the chocolate cake. Now if in case you're making a say strawberry cake, you can use a vanilla sponge cake, add in a strawberry ice cream. I'm making chocolate ice cream cake as I said, so I'll be going ahead and smearing a layer of chocolate ice cream on top of the chocolate cake. You can get creative here, add in chocolate chips, nuts of your choice, sauces, fruits, anything that your heart desires. For instance, if you're making a strawberry cake, you can also add in some chunks of nice strawberry ice creams, and yeah, that would really be a fun part while you prepare the cake. Now I'll go ahead and cover it up with the other half of the chocolate cake and finally cover with the excess plastic wrap that I particularly left initially on the edges. Now freeze it for at least 3 hours once it is nice and wrapped, or overnight. After 3 hours, my cake is absolutely ready. You can see how cold the dish is, and because we use the plastic wrap, you can see how easily it will come out of the dish without any hassle. So once it is out, I'm going to go ahead and cut it into nice squares. The knife that I will use in order to cut the cake, I've dipped it in hot water and wiped it, and then since it is nice and hot, it will be easier for us to cut the cake. So I'm going to cut it into nice squares, and you can serve it along with drizzle in some chocolate sauce on top of it, decorate it with some nuts of your choice or some chocolate chips. That is where you can get, a really creative and customize it according to your own preferences. And yeah, here the ice cream chocolate cake is absolutely ready to be served. Now I have various other varieties of ice cream cakes with me, so if you really want to know them, do let me know in the comment section below. I hope that you like spending time with me today and that you will give this easy peasy cake recipe a try. Do let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload the next video. I will leave a chocolate ice cream link, the one that I have prepared, in the description box below, so you can have a look at that and follow the same and make the chocolate ice cream at home as well. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, don't forget to dig in this perfect cake. Bye bye.